Okay. There's a scheduling of the 7 days of a week, well, Monday to Sunday. After that rape drama nila, hindi naman ibig sabihin tapos ka ng ma-rape. You will be given a day, like for instance Monday. Victim 1, you are to be raped by Kibuloy on Monday. Victim 2, you are to be raped by Kibuloy on Tuesday, and so forth up to Sunday.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Ang gusto ko lang i-narrate sa inyo are all the statements gathered from the alleged victims of a certain Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Just that, doon lang yung yun lang yung sasagutin ko sa inyo. Mga speculative questions, I will not answer. Mga speculative questions ninyo, I'm sorry but I will not answer. So, let's be factual. With that, maraming salamat pala sa inyo doon sa mga cooperations ninyo sa paghintay until si Mr. Apollo Kibuloy was put under our custody. So he's in Camp Crame now. I think he is now being prepared to be brought to the regional trial court. So thank you.
Sir, yung action ay yung lumapit sa inyo personally. Yung limang na lumapit sa inyo personally.
Yes.
What are ilang tests o yung ages mo?
25 daw.
Kailan lang sila, sir? Sabay-sabay sila, di ba?
No. Dalawa pumunta and then yung remaining 3 they came in one by one. No. I would like to correct na dalawa lang yung physically nakausap ko and yung tatlo on video. After the Senate hearing.
Sir, can you elaborate on the specific allegation of these 5 young girls against us?
I have been impaired here.
Can you elaborate, sir, yung specific allegations na limang?
They were raped by Pastor Kibuloy.
Nasa Davao sila. During the incident doon sa QNJC, nasa Davao lang sila. History na nag-usap mo is nasa ibang bansa.
Well, somewhere here, at yung iba wala dito.
Sir, anong nationality, sir? Kung Filipino ba?
Hindi ko lang kung nag-change na yung nationality yung but I Bisaya man.
Sir, do you have tanong ba na ano yung purpose na ano yung napudyong sa nila na lumapit ng Facebook? Nakausap ko sila, ano yung nalaman ito?
Record from the time na they went out of the compound of the KJC, talagang gusto na nilang magsabi rin ng katotohanan. Pero the adamant at that, kasi sino ba naman ang gusto magsabi ng ordeal niya, rape, sexually molested and all that. So, and the culture of the Filipino women, talagang it's very hard for them. Ano na lang mangyayari sa mga yan? So, shattered dreams and all that. Kaya lang, yung the truth inside na dinadamdam nila for the past years, it keeps biting them. So it's an stress talaga. Ako nga na-stress pa, nakikinig lang ako, na-stress nga until now I'm stressed. So, well, with the found common ground between them and me, may common ground. So, sila yung nag-ano sa amin. So, I'm very thankful with them that they found confidence with me. And so, I was able to have a short communication with them.
Colonel, ba mga short statement ba sila? Kasi kung wala naman, baka allegation lang din.
Hindi, kaya nga, sabi ko, after this, no more talking. Kasi kukuhanan ko na sila ng statements.
Medical records, sir. Medical records.
Yeah, kasama na yan.
So, based on their narrative, does it happen once or may ulit? Paano po yung narrative?
At the age of 13, they were started to be raped. Kung umalis sila at the age of 18, so i-compute natin. Kasi doon naman they are members of the pastoral. Dalawa pala ang pastoral. Isang pastoral of the innermost circle and pastoral of the inner circle only. Ang subject to sexual carnal desire are the pastoral on the inner circle only. At ang buffer ni Pastor Kibuloy yung pastoral circle lang. The inner circle, sila yung taga-filter kung magrereklamo ba yung yung nasa innermost circle. But karamihan ay hindi nagrereklamo. So maybe that's your question. Bakit hindi sila why only now? They've been sexually molested since the 12-year-old. So, ang sagot dyan, they were shaped, they were brainwashed, indoctrinated, until such time that they accepted their faith. But mali yan under the law. If it's sexually molested, minor at that, is a clear violation under the law. And so, sabi ko nga, they were prepared, and then ripe enough, yung hinug na talaga sila for Mr. Kibuloy to perpetrate his carnal desire, and then papasok na siya to do the final rites. Actually, yung sexual activity na yan is a final rite before you can become a pastoral of the innermost circle.
So I'm expecting more women na lalaki po sa inyo.
Yeah, yes.
Kaya nandiyan pa sila sa loob na ngayon ng compound? Di ba?
No, they are out of the KOGC compound.
They are former members,
I said they are members of the innermost pastoral.
but former members. They're no longer members of the KOGC right now.
They are no longer a member, but that communication inside.
So, based on your statement na natatakot sila because of the angels of death, can you elaborate on that?
Okay, ganito. Tama yung question, breaking code of secrecy. Rape victim at that. Sasabihin sa kanila ni Pastor Kibuloy na you are offering yourself to the Almighty, to the Anointed One. And so, by doing that, you will go to heaven. Kasi you're very near to the Anointed One. So, kung ang tanong dyan, natanong ko rin well, can I ask you, does that mean that you are de-virginized? Kasi there's a sexual action, di ba? So, sabi nila, ang sabi daw ni Kibuloy, I know because it's not Kibuloy entering them anymore. It's the Spirit entering them. So therefore, they are still virgins. So they believe on that statement. And these are propositions. These are declarative sentence. Conclusion na yan, mga sinasabi na ganyan. So they accepted those kind of statements of Kibuloy. Maybe because of the shaping, maybe because of the indoctrination and all that. And maybe there's fear. Now, papasok tayo sa angel of death. If there's a violation, alam mo, sinabi mo na you were sexually molested by Kibuloy, papasok na yung angel of death to get even with you. To get even means papatayin ka at pati yung mga genes line mo, mga magulang mo, mga kapatid mo. And then it posted very careful, very careful yung situation. So that's the situation of the minors.
So, nung sila sa inyo, Colonel, yung mga victims, kasama ang bail?
No.
Kasama?
No. Ito nga yung kasi dyan yung ibang mga parents nila nandun pa sa loob. They acted on their own. In the hope na hindi malalaman kasi kaya nga general open statement yung sinasabi ko I am not very specific about it kasi baka maapektuhan yung mga relatives nila inside.
Sir, personally, do you believe on the average sexual abuse committed by Pastor Kibuloy?
Doon sa nagbigay sa akin ng narrative, yes. I have been with the service for 27 years. Alam ko kung naapakan nyo yung tuhod ko, hindi.
Sir, willing sila mag-testify? Willing sila mag-testify?
Kukunan ko nga sila ng statement.
So, are you going to file cases?
Yes, based on their statements. Well, violation under 7610. Right?
So, when does it start? Na-mention po ng mga victims.
How did it start yung ano? Okay. There's a foundation offering them for a free education. The poor guys gusto rin mag-avail ng free education. So even their mothers, they brought their children doon sa foundation. And I have to tell you, you know what's common ground doon sa kanila, yung common situation nila? They all come from broken families. So, well, the poor mother, gusto rin nilang maganda ang kinabukasan ng kanila anak. Ang hirap ng edukasyon, they brought them there. And so, binigyan sila ng education. The others, binigyan naman ng free education. But those who were spotted that fits the standard of Kibuloy, kinuha na niya sa OGC compound and prepared them to be pastoral. Members of the pastoral, preferably soon to become an innermost circle.
So wala naman sa mga buntis among those.
Okay, tinanong ko rin yan, bakit nga ba naman hindi kayo nabuntis? Well, sabi nila, to their narration, Mr. Kibuloy is vasectomized.
Yes, sir. Aside doon sa sexual abuse, pasok ko lang, may mga naman ba doon sa kabayo na lumapit at nanghingi ng tulong doon sa mga reklamo years ago?
Well, none so far.
Colonel, ano yung sinabi niyo about scheduling yung...
Okay. There's a scheduling of the 7 days of a week, well, Monday to Sunday. After that rape drama nila, hindi naman ibig sabihin tapos ka ng ma-rape. You will be given a day, like for instance Monday. Victim 1, you are to be raped by Kibuloy on Monday. Victim 2, you are to be raped by Kibuloy on the Tuesday, and so forth up to Sunday. Ganon. So, the poor minor, he's expecting that she will be raped for the next Monday.
Sir, may na-mention ba na may mga physical abuse din ng mga person, ng mga lalaki? Yun bang nalilink doon sa mga singers, tapos may physical abuse? May mga ganun bang information tayo?
Sinong physical abuse? Yung babae o lalaki?
Staff po.
Staff. Well, may ano sila, may revelation sila na a certain Stephanie is the name. I do not know if it's the real name. She was caught having an affair with the driver, I think, or with security. And she was caught by Apollo Kibuloy. So there was that physical injuries happened. And then they sent him to United States of America.
So nagkailan na sila nang pumasok sa PUGC? Kailan sila pumasok ng patay sa PUGC? Yung mga victims?
The pastoral innermost circle at the age of 12.
What year kaya ito occurred?
We are talking here of 10 years ago, maybe, or 9 years.
Colonel, nakita mo itong mga victims, magaganda po pala.
Magaganda po sila at may mga lahi po sila. Ang mga lahi nila ay mga European, Americans, at hindi ko alam yung ibang mga lahi pa. And they're very beautiful. Yung sa mga lalaki pa, pag nag-usap tayo, di ba may mga karta-kartada tayo sa, di ba, sa baraha? Well, masasabing ko, ang kartada nila, based on my standard also, it may not fit with the standard of Pastor Kibuloy, but I can say it's kartada 8, 9, 10.
Sir, are you confirming na yung mga rooms stories. Ano na ba yun?
Yes, it was confirmed by the regional director himself, Gian Torres. Na ano na yon. The bedroom of Mr. Kubuloy is surrounded by the bedrooms of members of the Animal Care, mga minors.
Sir, ano po yung masasabi niyo kung kayo after General Torres said that he is just imputing practice na yung mga rules are for the women?
Meron namang nag-file na. And may magpa-file pa. At ang mga na-file na kaso ay mga sexual abuse. Anong sinasabi nila?
Sir, paano ang protection itong victim?
Pasensya, may
Assistance sa protection nila.
kaya nga pupunta ako dun sa sa Kamprame with
May kulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa. Bunyog Party List. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.